Today I will be showing you how to do a running total in Microsoft Excel. I will first come up with data, and at the end I will show you how to do it. Click here at A1 and just type anything you want there. I will call this daily grocery store. You can skip one cell and type Monday. With Excel, you don't have to type Monday to Friday. Just type Monday and drag like this, and all days will come up like that. So our sales will be running from Monday to Friday. We'll be selling apples, peach, orange, lime, avocado, good. Then here you can just put some numbers which we can use later. Get from let's put some figures there. Doesn't matter what figure. Let's make them range so that they don't interfere in the graph. If it is too high, the graph may not look realistic. I'll show you that in the end. Why it is important. So the numbers are in dozens. You can see on Monday they sold 16 dozens of apples. Okay, so this is our data. And just mount a bit. Look at the looks. Let's make this size. Size 16 point. And make this a bit. This size. You can adjust this. Same as this one. You can make yes, this one can really small font like color. You can bold it. Here we have total, and here we have running total. Okay, running total. Just like that. Okay, so for total, you can just click this, check the range, and enter. That's our total. This was good. Alright, now this is our running total. To do running total, this is what you do. Click here at H4. H4. Click there. Type is equal sign. H4 is equal to G4. Put is equal sign and click G4 and click enter. So H4 is equal to 95. H4 is equal to G4. To get running total for the rest, come to H5 is equal to sign, click H4 plus G5. Click it and click enter. Once you do that, click H5 and drag everything down like that. That's our running total. So 95 plus 92 is equal to 187. 187 plus this is equal to this. That's how we do running total. There's something I want to show you quick. How to put a chart. So to put a chart in this, highlight Monday to Friday like this. Okay, come to chart, click this, come to line graph, click it, and then select this one. Okay, click next. So rows, you click this, fruits will appear down here. If you click this, days will appear down. We'll go with the rows. So click next, and here type your title. Our title was daily grocery store. Okay, here you can type dates. So in x-axis you have days of the week. Okay. In y-axis we have fruits sold. Okay. Next, finish. So this is our chart. Something very interesting. So this chart is connected to this. I like this one. There's something I want to show you quick before we end the video. So I want you to watch. I want you to watch how this changes. Watch how G6, and H6 changes. If you change anything here at C6, like 24, it will change this figure and this figure. It will also change the graph. If you put 29, everything will change. Okay. If you put figure like that, everything changes. It's connected. Okay. If you change it back to 18, it changes everything. Anyway, that's how you do a running total in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching.